all of you guys over here on the channel. And I hope you guys know it's fishing in here. And it is going to fall. And here is the pea pool. Looks absolutely terrifying. That pool looks like it has locust in it. Holy fuck, this really did get gross. Fuck. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boyses and girlses, let's face it. Sometimes, just gotta kick off your boots. Oh, it's slimy! It's fucking slimy! It's fucking slimy! Oh shit! My leg's bent. Okay, come on, seriously guys, my inner thigh's cramping. Come on.
You really can't get out.
No, I can't.
Will you please help him?
I'm
I was just gonna drag you out.
No,
I thought you couldn't get out. Come on.
I can't.
You stand
My
up.
fucking feet keep slipping.
All right. He hasn't tried
Yeah, help
standing
me in
up
real quick,
once.
Ben. I'll pull your ass in.
He didn't try standing up once, so he...